The possibility of profitability in the VR space is so vast. Welcome back, everybody. Psycho Batman here. Today we're going to be talking about something I haven't seen much talk of: making money in virtual reality. In such a large and diverse space like virtual reality, there's bound to be tons of ways to make money, as long as you can spot them. Here are some that I've noticed, and if you've noticed a couple that I missed, let me know in the comments. With apps like Sandbox and Decentraland, you can buy, sell, and even build virtual real estate. Conceivably, you could acquire a plot of virtual land, build a store, a mall, a stadium, any number of structures, and then sell or rent it out to a company to you. You could even build your own virtual business. Think a nightclub with a cover charge, or virtual stores that would allow people to see, touch, or even wear items before they buy them. Maybe you're in a band. You could set up a venue, sell tickets, and play a show entirely in virtual reality. With apps like this, the possibilities are literally endless. There are literally a million ways to make money, and that's aside from the obvious buy land, build something, and sell it. Walkthrough, a service for real estate photography using Matterport cameras and Zillow software, can create a fully rendered 3D virtual recreation of your home. Over half of the homes bought last year were bought without ever seeing the home in person. In a market like that, this option could be invaluable for the offers that you need. They boast 24-hour scheduling, so if selling your house ever keeps you up at night, Walkthrough has you covered, and they guarantee all assets will be delivered the day after the shoot. Aside from virtual models, Walkthrough also offers professional real estate photography, aerials, and floor plans. They have over 75 service areas in 3 states, including Colorado, Arizona, and Texas. Texas.
Don't you dare take the name of Texas in vain! You can't say nothing about Texas!
The VR scene is booming thanks to Oculus, Facebook, Meta. Thanks to them, everyone and apparently their grandparents are getting into VR these days. With this boom comes a lot of people looking for answers, reviews, or entertainment pertaining to the virtual reality space. VR, virtual reality, metaverse, Quest, these are all huge hot buzzwords right now. It is the perfect time to start a blog or a YouTube channel in the VR space. I mean, look at me. It could be about the next big game or experience, overall news, what industry is taking over next. There are a million different things to talk about in the VR space. And trust me, there are millions of people wanting to hear it. Like I just said, the VR community is booming. What's more profitable than creating a blog or a YouTube channel? Creating a game or an experience. It may seem daunting and entirely out of reach, but Steam says that its secret sauce is that it allows developers to use common coding languages such as JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. And that makes the entry level surprisingly low considering. If you set your mind to it, something like this can seriously pan out. Even if you don't know coding, I'm sure you can learn at least one of those languages within a year. What? I didn't say it was going to be easy. I'm only scratching the iceberg here. The possibility of profitability in the VR space is so vast. I'll probably be back with another video like this. So remember to subscribe so you don't miss it, and like if you're excited to see the coming world of VR. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, don't have too much fun. Peace out.